Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of find your cat's favorite food in Heartopia. It is a little bit difficult to find, honestly, because there was a lot of fishes in this game. And here I'm just going to feed my cat. Let's do like one of each. I try not to feed it like very exotic fishes, so let's do this. What else should I? Let's do the prawn. I don't know if the cats eat prawn though, but it's there, so I'm just going to feed it. Let's do let's do clownfish. No, I want to feed it the crab, but what if that's their favorite food? Let's do grayling, it's fine. Oh my gosh. You can also go to like your watch and go to like pet here, and later on you'll see their like mood lock here, and see sometimes like what their favorite fish is. Maybe like feed it one by one instead of just like the whole thing. Let's try to feed Rocket here um some fish. I only have like duplicates of like, let's do the pumpkin seed, I guess. It better not be that. But I think the update is like a little bit later on in their mood lock. You'll see like what their favorite food is. You just won't know it instantly because I guess they'll think about it first and then they'll put it in the mood log. But yeah, you do have to kind of feed them every single thing until they actually like one fish, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, that is how you can find your cat's favorite food. You just have to feed them fishes, and hope for the best and hope that they don't like a rare fish that's very hard to find. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.